Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. My children love veggies. अगर आपके बच्चों को सब्जियों से परहेज है, so you should definitely try this recipe. The USP of this recipe is that it is loaded with lots of vegetables hidden in white sauce. So let's begin. The ingredients are garlic, onion, carrot, sprouted grain, any type of grain, whichever you like, sweet American sweet corn, mushrooms, bell peppers, red ones, yellow and green, then baby corn, then you have basil leaves and lemongrass for some flavor, broccoli, salt to taste, you have maida to prepare white sauce, some cream, butter, cheese and onion, bay leaf and to prepare the toppings, you need 2 tablespoons of oil, first let's put some garlic, then onions, 2 onions, then carrots, now add some broccoli, add some basil leaves. Don't overcook the vegetables, you can eat this as salad also. Now time for the pasta. Add white sauce prepared before. We will put it in the bowl. Now little basil leaves for garnishing. Now this you can eat as salad and this as Alfredo pasta. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'm open to all your recommendations and suggestions. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.